Hi, this is Tammy, and this is my second video ever. And I'm going to make Gumball machine. See? These little guys? Can you see them? Ornaments. So I've got 3 done. And I'm going to show you how to do one. These are so much fun. Now, I use like Christmas tree sprinkles, but you can get the little round colored one, the round ones that look more like gumballs if you want. So you take your round ornament, clear plastic, and I use plastic because I got grandkids, and took the lid off, and I put it in this little bowl so it won't go all over the place. Then funnel. Well, we'll wait for that. And sprinkles. And I think I got these at Winn-Dixie. And this little funnel just didn't work that great. I mean, it's okay, but I think we're going to try this one. Just pour them in. And it's about how much I put in. You could put a little bit more or less, depending. Let's see. So maybe we'll go for just a tad more. I have to get more sprinkles if I want to make more of these. Okay. And then just take your lid, put it back on. Okay, and oops. All right, don't get that little thing caught. There we go. And if you're afraid that this is going to be too heavy, then go ahead and just glue your lid on. I think it'll be fine. And I saw this in another YouTube, and I wish I could remember who did it because she did an awesome job. But she used a little clay pot and painted it red. And I found these little red Solo cups at the Mini Cups. It says home store, but I got them at the Dollar Tree. So the whole thing for $1. Problem is with this little thing, they're rounded weird here, so they don't fit real good on these. I'll show you. They kind of want to go to the side. And I was going to drill a hole so it could sit in there, but my drill's broken. And so I decided, well, I had these little rings. Okay, I have a bunch of these little rings. And I put one in here, just a little plastic ring. Oh, here. I'll show you. And I have no idea where I got these. I probably use them for knitting, crocheting, just whatever. They were with my craft supplies. So, I glued it on here with my E600 that I picked up at Walmart. And because somebody told me that was just really, really good glue. This is my first try with it, so I can't guarantee. But so far, it seems to be doing great. So I'm just going to put a little bit more glue on here. Give this baby something to sit in. The thing I don't like about it is it doesn't want to stop pouring. I'm hoping it'll stop doing that when it gets a little emptier. If anybody knows a trick to make it stop doing that, please let me know. Okay. So we're just going to Put this on here. See, it wants to turn. Still, you'll hold it. Make sure you get it straight and then just hold it and let it set. So, and that's all it is, just letting it sit for a minute and then it'll be done. And it'll be just like this baby right here. And I had so much fun making these, except for maybe sitting here and holding it. See, it's good, but I know it's going to move. And I think this is a little bit off, so we're going to put it right there. It's still not. Okay. I want it on a flat surface. And that's it for this one. I hope you liked it.